welcome, Laws here. As requested, I'm making a quick tutorial for a custom join sound message in Deepbot. So what this is that a sound of either your choice or that particular user's choice of sound will be played when they join your channel. The sound will either play when Deepbot's chat list sees the user, or the sound will trigger sooner if the user first comments on the stream channel. First thing you need to make sure is that you have the Deepbot VIP. Let me just show you the Deepbot VIP and what it looks like. And to know that you have Deepbot VIP for sure is on the top bar here next to the Twitch Stream Assistant, you will see a gold star. And this gold star will tell you when the VIP will expire. So mine is on the 23rd of April, so this will be next week. It will turn bronze when it's almost up. Like, I think it's like a day or two before it's up, so it'll turn bronze, just to remind you that you need to renew it. So if you don't have this star here, you will have to go to the Deepbot VIP page to purchase another month of it. I will post a link on the description below. I created a test Twitch account called Chat Tester Bot. You can find them in the user database here. You make sure if they're online, they'll be in the chat list. But if they're offline, then just uncheck the hide offline, and they'll show up if you type the name up here. So this is the user that I'm gonna be using to show you. Right click on the username, edit user, and then look for custom join message, and just type in something like chat tester bot. I like to keep it as the same as the username just because it'll get messy if you don't, but you can name it whatever you want, to be honest. And this will be the command that will trigger the sound. So just click save. So next, go to the channel commands. This is all my channel commands here. So what you have to do is click add new, and a command editor box will pop up. What you have to do is, in the command, just type what you typed in for the custom join message. So it was chat tester bot. Group, I would suggest to make a group for this. So I'm just gonna make it as AAA. That's probably not a good group name. You can name it as user sound effects, something like that, or join sounds, or custom join sounds, something like that. So they're all in a group in case you have like 20 people who wants this feature when they join the channel. You can put a message if you want. You can be like chat testerbot is here, something like that, and this is what the bot will post. So the bot will announce that the chat tester bot is here in the chat. You don't have to have this, it's optional, but I'm just gonna put it there just to show you that that you can add this if you wanted to. But if they just wanted a sound, then just leave it blank, that's fine as well. So in the user class, make sure it's on stream and bot only, because you don't want people to, I don't know, spam it somehow. There's also a cooldown section here. You can use this if you want, it's optional. It's just to prevent if, say, the chat tester bot would like to, keep on joining and disconnecting from the chat, and keep joining, disconnecting within 5 minutes, and it's disrupting, your stream or something like that, then, which probably won't happen, but you never know. So there's always it's always nice to know that there's an option for this. You can put the cooldown as, I don't know, like 900 seconds or 9,000 seconds, something like that. So I always leave it blank, but if you needed it, then it's there. So just leave everything as it is, like here and here. And this is the important part. This is the bit that you've been waiting for. So what you do is you click browse. It'll bring you up to a folder. You can, wherever you put your sound effects folder, basically go to that. This one, I'm just going to use these ones. These are like the default Deepbot ones that came with Deepbot. So new sub sound 3. Let's use that one. You can change the sound level. I like to keep it low because it's pretty loud when it's max. You can also preview the sound. So this one is like this. So every time when this user chat tester bot joins your channel, if they don't say anything, it will be automatically. It will just play when the chat list sees chat tester bot in the chat. Otherwise, it would trigger immediately if chat tester bot comments on the stream chat. Make sure that this one is set as run as bot, And also please make sure that it's hide from command list as well. That's quite important. And that's, you know what, that's pretty much it. So you can just save and just, or save and close. And then it's in the group. So there's the command up here. Make sure it's enabled as well. You can also disable it whenever you want. So let me just show you. You can disable it up here if you wanted, and then you can enable it back again. So now that everything is saved, let's show you the command working. So I'm currently using the chat tester bots account, and if you just type in like hi, and then the bot will post chat tester bot is here. That's because that's the message you put in there, but you don't have to have that message. If you don't have that message, then nothing, the bot server, my bot won't say anything basically, and it'll just play the sound. If you wanted to change the sound effect to something else, then just go back to the command here, edit command, and then just change it to whatever you want here. So you can put your own in there. You can put, let me just pull one up for you. Let's say you wanted the epic sax guy sound effect, something like that. Just, you can just paste it in here. I'll just paste it in here just because. Okay, so let's just say you wanted this one. You can save and close. And then I need to back out from my own chat. Just so then, right now in the chat thing, you'll see the chat tester bot is still in the chat. So you have to wait for him to disappear for it to work again. So let me just pause the video and then I'll resume back when the bot is gone. So the user has left the channel now. We could play the new sound. Let me just go back to my own channel. So he is not in the list right now, and then when he first joins, he'll say hi. And then Epic Sax Guy plays. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, the sound will trigger automatically when Deepbot's chat list sees the user, or it'll trigger immediately when the user first comments on the stream's chat. I hope this video helped you for those wanting to know how to make custom join sounds. If you need help with any other features, let me know either through the YouTube comments. You can reach me through my Twitter and my Twitch, which I'll link below as well, and I'll try my best to figure it out for you. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.